Part of Mirror's initial jarring with users was that it was rather complex compared to the previous version, even though it offered so many improvements that it immediately needed to replace the old one. So if we jump into Mirror by pressing Alt-X, you can see that now the mirror will let you know when an empty is created. For example, if we were to use the hotkeys at the bottom, we see that there's a hotkey for A, S, W, and X. So if we press A, we can toggle through the multiple types of modifier modes, and now you can see that there's a notification system notifying you when you change your mode what is about to happen. So this will let you know that a new modifier is being created. We can press S to cycle through our pivot points, where we can see what kind of pivot points we can get with our mirror. We can also press W in order to cycle between the different types of orientation. So if we want to just quickly jump this over to view, we can, and just mirror it across, and we see that it's mirrored. If we were to go back into mirror, you can see that it's already pre-configured to go back in the same type of system it was before. But let's say I didn't want to do that. Let's say I wanted to add a new mirror. I would press A to switch this from modifier to new modifier. I would press X to make this default, and then maybe press A to make this new modifier, and I can actually mirror this in addition to the mirror being done from view. But what's important is that now if you're looking at the top, it will let you know if an empty is about to be created, in which case an empty will always be created if you're using anything besides local and active origin. Anything else will definitely create an empty in order to make that type of mirror pivot possible.